Happy morning, dear children. How are you all? Fresh, right? Okay, now let's start the class. As you all know, we are doing our lesson number 11. Air, water and weather. Right, dear children? We learned about air and today we will learn about water. A very important thing for us to survive, right? You know why water is important to us? I'm sure you know, because without water we cannot survive. Let's see what do we have today. Water is the most important thing for life on the earth. अगर पानी नहीं होगा तो हम में से कोई भी यहाँ पर सर्वाइव कर पाएगा नहीं. We all will die. We need water to drink. We need water to bathe. हमें नहाने के लिए भी पानी चाहिए. Otherwise, we will get dirty and then we will get sick. It is not good for us, right? We need water to wash the clothes as well. Otherwise, we will wear dirty clothes. Is it good to wear dirty clothes? No, na. And for many other purposes. We need water for so many activities, dear children. That's why water is very important for our survival. About 70% of our body weight is of water. हमारी body 70% weight जो carry करती है वो water के वजह से है. Okay, dear children? So it is very important to drink water. Rivers, lakes and streams. These are some of the major resources from where we get water. अगर नदियाँ नहीं होंगी तो हमें पानी सप्लाई कहाँ से होगा? हमें पानी मिलेगा ही नहीं. So, rivers, lakes and streams are some of the sources from where we get water. Now, do you know कि पानी हमारे अर्थ पे आता कैसे है? It is a very long process, but it is very easy for us to learn because we all are very smart, right? So now, dear children, we will learn water cycle. But before this, we need to know that water के कौन से states होते हैं. Water has 3 states. The first one is solid state. Means the state where the water is hard. It has a shape. And then we have liquid state. जो water का main state है, क्योंकि water हमेशा liquid state में ही हमें मिलता है. फिर हम उसे या तो solid में convert करते हैं या फिर हम उसे gaseous state में convert करते हैं. So water has 3 states: solid, liquid and gaseous. Are you all clear? Now let's move on to our main topic, and it is water cycle. Now water cycle is divided in 3 processes, okay? And the first process is evaporation. What is evaporation? मम्मा जब पानी गैस पे गर्म करती है तो क्या होता है? हमें धुआं दिखता है, राइट डियर चिल्ड्रन? एंड वो जो धुआं होता है, दिस इज हाउ द वाटर गेट्स इवेपोरेटेड. वो भाप बन के ऊपर चला जाता है. ओके, सी द वाटर इन लेक्स, पॉन्ड्स, रिवर्स एंड सीज इज हीटेड बाय द सन. सन जो है वो क्या करता है? हमारे सारे वाटर रिसोर्सेज में से पानी जो है इवेपोरेट करता है. कैसे? पानी को गर्म करके. अगर हम भी धूप में जाते हैं, वी ऑल्सो फील वार्म, राइट? उसी तरह द वाटर फ्रॉम रिवर्स, पॉन्ड्स, लेक्स एंड सीज इज हीटेड and then it is evaporated, and it is heated with the help of sun. Due to the heating, the water changes into vapor. जैसे जैसे पानी गर्म होगा वो वेपर बन के, वो भाप बन के ऊपर चला जाएगा. एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड इवेपोरेशन. पानी का गर्म होने की वजह से भाप बन जाना is known as evaporation. Clear? Let's move on to the second part of our evaporation of our water cycle. अब पानी evaporate होगा. After that what will happen? The water vapor raises and reaches at height. पानी evaporate हो जाता है and it goes up above. It raises at height. वो ऊपर चला जाता है. It mixes with dust and other things present in the air and gets cooled to form clouds. ऊपर जाके water vapors जो है वो अलग अलग चीज़ों के साथ mix हो जाते हैं. It get mixed with air, dust and many other things. And उसकी वजह से क्या form होते हैं? Clouds, बादल. This is called condensation. Water vapors का clouds में convert हो जाना, it is known as condensation. Dear children, आपको सब बहुत अच्छे से learn करना है. Okay? Now let's move on to the third point. The water drops start becoming bigger and heavier. Clouds में जो पानी है, जो water vapors हैं, वो धीरे धीरे heavy होते जाते हैं. When they become too heavy, जब वो बहुत ज़्यादा heavy हो जाते हैं and वो अपना weight नहीं संभाल पाते, they fall as rain. फिर वो बारिश की तरह आसमान से हमारे पे आते हैं and it is known as rain. Our favorite weather, right? This rain goes back into the lakes, rivers, ponds and seas in the form of water, right? वो पानी फिर से चले जाते हैं पानी बन के and then it is again evaporated. बारिश गिरती है, फिर सन आ जाता है, फिर इवेपोरेशन प्रोसेस होता है, फिर कंडेंसेशन होता है. So dear children, this is how the water cycle works. Okay? This cycle continues and it is called water cycle. Easy? I know it is very easy for you all. Dear children, this is the easiest way to form a water cycle. First evaporation, then condensation and then precipitation means वो बारिश वापस नीचे आ जाती है and then again evaporation, then condensation and then again precipitation. This cycle moves and moves and it continues. Okay dear children, here we are done with our today's topic, water and water cycle. Now, what we need to do? We need to complete our work from home. And हमें work from home में क्या करना है? Draw water cycle and color it. मैम ने अभी जो आपको water cycle का पिक्चर दिखाया, वैसा ही आपको पिक्चर अपनी नोटबुक में ड्रॉ करना है and color it and make it beautiful. And as and when you are done with it, send me a photo shot, okay? I am waiting for your photo shot. I will see you next time in the next class with something more fun and interesting. Till then, take care. Bye. God bless you.